So right now I'm working on putting these pieces of wood across so I have something to screw the plywood into to make the walls. Picked up some, I think it's 6mm plywood. It's $11 a sheet at Home Depot. Pretty flexible, good stuff. I'm just working on building a door for the divider wall. Solid ass door. Right there. Got both walls ready to be plywooded, whatever you call it. Just got to do the ceiling, cut out the floor, plywood, attach my door. Gotten the door half made, I just need to insulate it and put the other side of the paneling on. Yeah, she's coming along. So my mom made me these window coverings. They're pretty much reflectix on each side with ceiling tile in the middle. Now we did that because we were originally going to put plastic in the middle, but we had some ceiling tiles in the basement, so we decided to use those because ceiling tiles are pretty much insulation anyways, right? So that worked out pretty good. We're going to sew a sheet of fabric around it and have magnets all along the outside, and also Velcro. This is my sink. Picked it up for $4 at Dollarama. This is my stove slash oven. Cost $20 off Kijiji. Looks actually in pretty good shape. I'm out of a trailer. I'm gonna refurbish it. Just putting up these pieces of wood, 2x1s, to be able to screw my plywood into. Oh my god, what a workout this is. I'm sweating like crazy. Almost there. Well, I think I'm gonna call it a day now. Tomorrow I'm gonna be screwing up. Well, not screwing up, I'm gonna be screwing the plywood on to the walls and the ceiling. I think next step is I'm gonna insulate the floor, and then I'm gonna throw some plywood down, and then I'm gonna get to building my bed. I'm gonna put the bed right here, lengthwise. It's gonna be a pull-out bed, so it's gonna be a couch. When I'm not sleeping, I'm gonna be able to pull it out. I'm gonna have a countertop all the way down here, just like Dan in a can. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to finishing it. Anyways, thanks for watching. I should have another video up in the next couple days. Hoping to make some more progress on this beast. What should I name her? I'm thinking like Beatrice or Betty or something. I don't know. Anyways, thanks. Please subscribe, like, share. Almost forgot. This is my stealth van edition. I'm also gonna put a work vest, one of those reflective work vests, on the back of the seat, maybe on both seats. So yeah, if anybody shows up, all they see is a hard hat, some work vest on the back of the seat. If that ain't stealthy, then I don't know what is.